Okay, let's dive into this. The sun sneeze. It's way more common than you'd think.
Ever walk into bright sunlight and achoo? Yeah, you're not alone. That's a real thing.
It actually has a scientific name. And trust me, it's a memorable one.
The official term, photic sneeze reflex. The weird part? The trigger isn't dust, it's literally light.
But then, scientists gave it the best acronym ever, ACHOO syndrome. Seriously, let's break this down.
And get this, it's not rare at all. We're talking about 1 in every 4 people. So, how does light even do that? Well, it's basically a case of crossed wires in your head.
It all has to do with 2 major nerves that are packed super close together in your skull.
The leading theory is that a big signal in one nerve can spill over and trigger its neighbor.
So here's the chain reaction. A light blast overloads the optic nerve, which zaps the sneeze nerve.
But what's really wild is that this whole thing seems to be hardwired right into our DNA.
For a long time, we thought it was just a simple trait from one parent. Nope, it's more complex.
Now, scientists have found the actual genetic markers that can increase or decrease your chances of sneezing.
Okay, so it's mostly just a funny quirk, right? Well, sometimes it can get pretty dangerous.
In fact, neurologists once called it a healthy epilepsy, a sort of mini involuntary outburst.
Think about it. An unexpected sneeze could be a disaster for a pilot or a surgeon. And they've really studied this in eye surgery, especially when giving injections directly into the eye.
Get this, in one study, almost half the patients sneezed during the injection without suppressants.
You can imagine what a sudden head jerk could do with a needle that close. That's why this matters.
It really makes you wonder, what other weird body quirks are hiding out in our DNA?